So let's talk of careers downstream of a potential master's degree
Hmm.
in a water resources related discipline. Where would these graduates go? What are the different job opportunities out there globally that, say, in Australia or Canada that
Yeah.
you may be aware of?
There are so many, and it could go from, let's say, the mining sector as an
Oh,
example.
oh,
We just,
wow.
we haven't talked about that yet, but mines, water management in mines is a very, very big deal. If you're building a big mine, let's say in Australia, but or in India as well, and you're below the water table, then and you need to extract mineral resources below the water table.
Hmm.
You have to do something with that water, and that water oftentimes is not. The water quality has potentially deteriorated. So you've got a water management issue, and you've also got potentially a water quality issue. So what are you going to do with it? So that's one area,
Hmm.
as an example.
Sure.
You could also work in consultancies. In Australia, that would be very common. Working for a number of different, let's say, clients. And it could be different water utilities, different cities for ensuring safe drinking water or treating wastewater. You could one could also work in the ports area. So one has to design a port. It has to what are the waves, the wave climate and things like that, such that boats have to have a quiescent place to berth.
Hmm.
So how do we design for that? So there's a wide range of areas. You could also potentially work in the electrical hydropower industry as well.
Hmm.
Pumped hydro is so in terms of in Australia, it's sort of people kind of talk about it, moving water around in different times of day. So when energy is cheap, when there's lots of, let's say in the middle of the night, if you have you've stored, you might move water up into into a reservoir, and then in the morning at peak energy time, consumption times, you might generate power generations. There's quite a wide range of exciting careers that you could get into.
And water quality assurance or water quality management
Yes,
is another span of careers.
absolutely. Yes, so it could be in terms of drinking water treatment, wastewater treatment, looking at in the natural or in the environment as well, ensuring that we have we're not detrimentally uh, uh, degrading the environmental the water quality. Certainly is I mentioned mines, but it also could be more broad than that as well.